Welcome back. This is John Locke, and today I'm answering a question that I saw on Twitter regarding keyword research. And this question is, what do you think is the number one mistake when it comes to keyword research in SEO? Now, I'm not going to come back with one answer. I'm going to say two answers, and these are the two things. I'm not even going to call them mistakes, but they're misguided efforts or they're misinterpretations of what you're actually trying to do. The number one and number two things that I see. Number one is trying to go for keywords with the most volume, regardless of whether that's going to be beneficial for your sales or your revenue. And what I mean by that is a lot of people get caught up in trying to rank for what we call like short head keywords, meaning they might be one or two words in the phrase, but they're high competition and they have a big search volume each month. The problem is, oftentimes, the intention behind these keywords is mismatched with what you're trying to sell, or what Google is ranking is going to be so broad that it doesn't match up to what you're actually trying to sell. So when you're trying to go for ranking for these very broad terms that are just one word or two words, you're fighting an uphill battle in a lot of cases, and it's not going to always directly go to your sales page. And that might be what you want to have happen, but that's not what's going to happen. And as a result, you're going to have to create content that matches what people are trying to find, or what the majority of people are actually trying to find when they Google that very short phrase. And Google knows, because over time they see the pattern of, yes, more people spend time on these pages, or they're sending some sort of user signals that say, yes, this is what we were actually looking for, and we're satisfied enough with this. We weren't actually trying to buy anything or sign up for anything or commit to anything right away, but we were just looking for information. More often than not, that's how it shakes out, but that's not what people want to hear. So it's often okay to pass up that keyword that has 100,000 searches per month, as long as you're going for one that has like 5,000 searches per month, but it's directly tied to the intent that you want to have, which is sell stuff. What I'm trying to say is you're going to close more sales by trying to go for those. And the second thing that I see people make a mistake with in keyword research is, like I said in just a second ago, is you're trying to rank for things that you want to rank for the intention that you want to rank for, while ignoring what Google is actually rewarding. Now, Google takes the search intention for the majority of the people and rewards those things. So if you have a sales page or something like that, and that's what you want to point people toward, and it doesn't matter what the search volume is on that per month, but if what Google is actually showing for that keyword are informational pages, then that's the content that you need to create. You cannot force Google into doing what you want it to do, because Google is relying on the data from thousands and millions of users, and that's what it's going by. It's not going by what you want to have rank, because all your competitors want to have the same thing too. They all want to rank their sales pages too, but it doesn't always shake out like that. Oftentimes you need to create an informational piece of content in order to rank for the terms that you're trying to go for, because Google simply will not, or you have a very low chance of, ranking a sales page. That's just the truth. So pay attention to search intent. What information are people trying to find, or what task are they trying to complete? And that's the type of content and functionality that needs to be on that page. If your page is missing that, you will have less chance of ranking for it. You want to force Google into doing what goes against what the majority of the people using Google want for that keyword. And instead, what you need to be doing is looking at the patterns that are actually there, create content and functionality on specific pages that matches that, then try and rank those pages. And like I said, don't be super, super greedy for the high short head keywords, high search volume. If it's something that you have no chance of getting, focus on the keywords that you are going to rank for, that do match the search intent of what you're trying to sell, and you're trying to sell to people and they're trying to buy it. Those are the keywords that you need to look at. And an easy way to detect it, just look at what Google is actually ranking on page 1. That will give you all the clues that you need to determine whether you have a shot or not. Look at the patterns. That's it. My name is John Locke. My business is Lockdown Design and SEO, and I'm here every single day making videos on SEO. I want to say thanks to all the subscribers who have come on recently. I really appreciate it. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. And until next time, peace.